Today we're going to look at how to do a voiceover. So you have a video playing and you have the voice over it. Okay, let's go to Canva. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva better for their book marketing. If you are an author who would like to talk to other authors about how to use Canva, come join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you want some free stuff, again, the link is in the description. Today we're going to talk about how to edit video in Canva. If you haven't seen my video on how to record your video, either to record using your front camera or to record your screen, go and check it out. The link is just above. Okay, so now you've got your video. The things that you record will end up in your uploads file if you click on videos, and you'll find that a lot of these have two files of the same length. So what it's done is it's recorded the video of your screen if you were doing your screen recording and the video of your front camera. Now the audio of you speaking is in this video from the front camera, so you don't want to delete that. So here's a video that I recorded earlier. It is the intros and outros for things. So I just recorded me talking to camera. So there's no screen recording. Right, so first of all, let's make this bigger so that we can see what we're doing. When you're being recorded by the front camera, they tend to record it in a circle so that for example, if you're doing a presentation or whatever it is you're talking about, your little talking head image appears in a circle there. So if you don't want it in this little circle, you right click detach video and it removes the video from the circle frame, which you can then delete. So let's do this. All right. So at the moment, I've got one long recording. It's 1 minute and 6 seconds. And out of this, I want several clips because a lot of it is clips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to split the video up. So let's have a look. Just show you how I'm going to do it. So my first intro bit is 16 seconds. So let's go to here. You pause where you want to pause and where you want to split. You right click, hit split image. And what it does is it splits it into two separate clips. So now you can do stuff in this clip and it won't show up on this clip. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to do a few of those. I'll be back in a minute. The next thing I'm going to do is label them. So this is my intro. This is silence. So we don't need that. Let's mark it delete. This label here, you can change whenever you want. Just hit return so that it registers. Okay, well, what I've done is I have split up my video into sections. So some of these sections need to be deleted. So to delete a clip, you right click and delete page. So let's go through and delete all the ones that say delete. There we go. Okay, so now I have these clips. So I have an intro, I have a buy me a cup of tea bit, and I have leave comment. Now, each of these clips, if I wanted to move them around on here, I can just pick them up and move them so that they go in a different order. Let me just change the audio input. So for this bit, what I'd like to do is put a video on top of it. So the first thing, make a note, 11.8 seconds. That's how long it is. So that's roughly the same length of video that we want. So let's find a nice video of some tea being poured, because I'm saying buy me a cup of tea. And let's fit it to the frame. Now what we're doing is we're putting the video in front of my talking head. So that's one way we could do it. And we're going to right click. So you click on your video, you right click on it, hide element timing, no, show element timing. Okay. And Click on here, click on position, click on layers, and this is your element timing. So that's 15 seconds of tea pouring. And if when you click on the next layer, it gives you the element timing there. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on both of them. So shift, and there we go. And then we're going to shift here. And then we're going to play them both. Right, so that's how long we need it to be. So we stop it there and we move the audio clip, because what it'll do is the shorter clip, it'll just loop back. So that's all we needed. We need it to be 12 seconds long. And this we also need to be 12 seconds long, but we can choose which 12 seconds. So you get it down to your 12 seconds that you need. And then we look at this thing here, trim. And if we want to, we can move this along a bit. So we can either maybe 12.1 seconds. There we go. So you can choose which bit of the clip you want to have. I think I would just stick to the start. In fact, 12.1. There we go. Okay. So now what we should get is my voice and the video. So you've got my voice doing a voiceover of this video. And what we can do as well to smooth the transition, these two clips wouldn't normally go together, but you click between the clips and hit dissolve. And it'll be a few seconds, and between the clips again, dissolve again. Let's see what that looks like. Before we go on, I don't get paid for making these videos, and this channel has a huge amount of resources on it now. And if you'd like to say thank you, you could buy me a cup of tea. There is a link there. And then I would put the link in the right place. The link is always there. I just need to put a signpost in. Okay, so that's how you do a voiceover. If you found this useful, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.